Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. Today I am here with a video of new main gate designs. In this video you can see a collection of new main gate designs for homes. As you know, a gate is an entry point to any closed area, mostly our homes, which also act as a barrier to the external world. So, it must be beautiful and eye-catching, unique and stylish. So, you are at right place. In this video, you can see various different types of gates, decorative and many other designs. In this video, you can see swing gates, sliding gates, folding gates, automated gates, gate designs, entrance gates, outdoor gates, steel gate design, wooden gate design, iron gate designs, sliding gate designs, wrought iron gates, security gates, farm gates, automatic home gates, folding gate designs, garden gate designs, driveway gate designs, decorative iron gate designs, side gates, timber gates, custom gates, aluminium gates, yard gates, various main gates for homes, simple and modern gates also. As you know, iron, steel, aluminium are the most widely used material for house gate designs. These materials provide good strength. All the designs for main gates in this video are new and 2023 special designs. Thank you so much for watching.